In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a 1-inch page border line in Microsoft Word. If you want to add a simple 1-inch border around your Microsoft Word document, you can do this using the Page Borders feature. This can be useful for school documents, reports, certificates, worksheets, or other documents where you want a clean border around the page. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the border. Once your document is open, go to the Design tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Page Background section, look for the Page Borders option and click it. This will open the Borders and Shading dialog box. In the Borders and Shading window, make sure you are on the Page Border tab. Under the Settings section, select Box. This will create a simple border around the entire page. Next, look at the Style section. Choose a simple solid line for your border. You can also choose the color and width of the line depending on the appearance you want. To create a 1-inch border line, the important part is the distance between the border and the edge of the page. Click the Options button at the bottom of the window. In the Border and Shading Options window, look for the Measure from Setting. Select Text if you want the border positioned based on the text area. Now adjust the top, bottom, left, and right measurements to 1 inch. Make sure all 4 sides are set to the same measurement, so the border is evenly positioned around the page. Once the settings are correct, click OK to close the Options window. You will return to the Borders and Shading dialog box. Check the preview on the right side to make sure the border appears correctly around the page. Under Apply To, choose the option you want. If you want the border on the entire document, select Whole Document. Finally, click OK. Microsoft Word will now place the border around your page with the 1-inch spacing you selected. Take a moment to review the page and make sure the border is positioned evenly on all 4 sides. If you need to make adjustments, you can return to the Page Borders settings and change the measurements. And that's how you can put a 1-inch page border line in Microsoft Word. This method gives you a clean and evenly spaced border that can be used for many different types of documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,